The expression "all hands on deck" is a phrase that signifies the need for everyone available to contribute and work together towards a common goal, or in response to an urgent situation. It originated in naval contexts, where it was used to summon all crew members to assist with a particular task, or during moments of heightened alertness. The phrase derives from the practice on sailing vessels where the deck refers to the top surface of the ship. In times of need, such as during a storm, a battle, or when maneuvering difficult waters, it was essential to have all crew members present and actively engaged in order to ensure the smooth operation and safety of the ship. When someone uses the expression "all hands on deck," they are calling for the collective effort and involvement of every available person. It serves as a rallying cry to bring together the skills, strengths, and expertise of a group to overcome challenges or accomplish a demanding task. The phrase is often used metaphorically in various contexts beyond maritime settings. It is employed in situations where a team, organization, or community needs everyone's participation and cooperation to address a pressing issue or achieve a specific objective. For example, in a workplace setting, if a critical project deadline is approaching or an unexpected problem arises, a manager may declare, "all hands on deck." This declaration signals the need for all team members to dedicate their time, skills, and resources towards resolving the issue or meeting the deadline. The phrase can also be used to foster a sense of unity, collaboration, and shared responsibility. It encourages individuals to set aside personal differences or individual pursuits and work together towards a common goal. It emphasizes the idea that collective effort and coordination are essential for success. In broader contexts, the expression "all hands on deck" can be applied to community initiatives, disaster response efforts, or societal challenges. It reflects the understanding that when faced with significant or urgent situations, it is necessary for individuals to come together, pool their resources, and contribute their time and talents to overcome obstacles and achieve positive outcomes. In summary, "all hands on deck" is an expression that signifies the need for everyone available to contribute and work together towards a shared objective, or in response to an urgent situation. It originated in naval contexts as a call for all crew members to assist during critical moments. The phrase has since been adopted in various contexts, highlighting the importance of collective effort, unity, and shared responsibility. It encourages individuals to set aside personal differences and collaborate to address challenges, accomplish tasks, and achieve positive outcomes.